Hey everyone, good morning. Wonderful good morning, everyone. Beautiful Friday. Let's hope we will get it today. All right. What do we have? What do we have here? Excuse me. Nasdaq made a new all-time high. That's for sure. We know that. Oh, let me start my Discord somehow. It didn't start. What's happening on the Russell? Let me put it here. Nothing special. So the Nasdaq new all-time high. I would be careful to go long from here. The only thing we can look for is maybe some short entries. So let's check for those shorts. I had a long position here, which was, I'd say, all right. My entry was based on, well, most likely on this gap right there. Trying to go with the trend to make a new high. So at this point, it's very hard to determine where does this going to go, but we'll try. We will try. I guess we have to take it easy since it's Friday, so not much of a price action. If you look at ES, did it make a new high? Did it? It did, right? Almost. ES is almost at a new high at 23. Okay. Okay. So that's still in the cards. But for Nasdaq, well, we made a new high on Nasdaq. So it is what it is. Can't really do much about this. Yeah. New all-time high. Come on, man. There you go. Just to remind myself, there's nothing up there. Okay. All right. Let's see, what do we have? Still edging higher. It's because of ES. It wants to go above 23, making new highs. So this is a typical session where we, we don't really have anything to trade. The only thing we can do for fun is maybe paper trade or whatever. So this was yesterday. I'm gonna mark up gold just for fun, just for fun, because it's pretty boring this morning. There's nothing to do. And I know many of you guys are trading gold, so so I'm just gonna mark gold up. Previous day high, and let's put on previous day low as well. Previous day low. All right, so this is gold. I'm just doing a gold analysis because I'm bored. Sell side liquidity. Okay, and that's it. That's it for gold. Bullish order block here. Bullish order block on gold. On the 1 hour chart. Let's put it to the right. And that's what we have. Okay. It was fun. That was gold. I don't see anything on gold either. If I look on the higher time frame, well, can still go higher. Have some historical targets there. Okay, that's it. As for Nasdaq, again, it's just going higher and higher. No idea where it wants to go. As for the Russell, that would be interesting, since I have this buy side at the 97s, also all the way to the 100. It's hard to tell what it wants to do. Nasdaq Dragon, good morning. Applause to you, my friend. Good to see you. Tom, brother, man. My man. I have perfected the holy grail of, okay. Just to be able to carve up, nice. And to be able to achieve tight stops and an abundance of profit. Guys, I think we will retire. Finally, Nasdaq Dragon did it. And dude, can't wait to see you going there. Oh man, shame no one cares about it, and I share it with them all excited. Is this the one? Is this the Robin Hood system that we were talking about the other day? Were you the one who shared it? Anyway, shame no one cares about it when I share it and I'm excited. Perhaps I need to make a video and just forget and just happy I found something. Hey, you can do that too. You can make a video. I was checking. I'm not sure, man. Were you the one who no, you were not. No, so someone else. There was a system called Robin Hood system something. Maybe it was Crypto Panda, I don't know. Sahid, hey there, good morning. Jans, happy Friday. Very glad to hear that. Oh yeah. I'm absolutely. Yeah, that wasn't. Anyway, Nasdaq Dragon, if you found something that you really think it fits your trading character and personality and your trading style, dude, you should carve it out. You should do more and more. The backtesting never ends. I'm backtesting my entry since almost every day. Even when I have a losing day or a winning day, I'm always backtesting it, and over the weekend. So I'm always trying to not modify it, but just to gain more information of how it plays out. So if you have something that fits you, then you should definitely, stick with it. Well, I plan to win the Robins. Okay. What? You plan to? Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, so you plan to. Actually, I'm entering a competition. It's gonna be my funded futures competition. I'm gonna be showing you right here. It's here. My funded futures competition. Hold on. I know I have it somewhere here. There. It's still time to enter the competition, guys. The competition starts in 2 hours 21 minutes in my funded futures. If you want to register, just use my link, and you have to have a whatever kind of account you have. It can be a starter or an expert, and you get to enter the competition. Not with that account, you get an extra account. You are going to have an extra account with a 10k. It's going to be a 10k extra account, and I just entered the competition. You can still enter, but you have to have an evaluation account. That's going to be interesting. Going to be doing some content about that. But after we dial it and become profitable for a while, perhaps you can backtest unless since we won't need to. Well, there's a point there. There's a point there. I'm doing a trading view March competition. There you go. Wishing you the best. Hey, listen, I'm wishing you all the best, my friend, as well. I'm wishing you all the best, man. I don't even know what are the... I mean, I heard of that competition on TradingView. I don't know what are the rules there. But I'm going to be going with the My Funded Futures. The thing is that we can have only one maximum contract or 10 micros. And this is why I like it. 1 mini or 10 micros across the board, which is very good. Scalping is allowed, I don't care about that. Blah blah blah. News trading allowed, I don't care. No overnight positions, no resets, no reset. That's very good. No reset. And 100% static max drawdown, so the whole account can be used for drawdown. So I do like it. I do like it. We have 951 contestants, and it's starting in 2 hours and 20 minutes. But I'm not gonna jump in at full throttle on Friday into the competition. I'm just gonna wait. Of course, if I see something, I'm gonna take the position, but I'm not even sure if My Funded Future still has the hold on, competition news or register and reserve their accounts in the morning. Blah blah blah. February free. Okay, free for active accounts. Prizes, live cash. Okay. Cash prizes. Okay, great. Active promotions. Experience issues. Rhythmic this morning. Yeah, we had issues. Okay, active promotions. Heavily requested. Okay, so the February deal is still ongoing. So this deal is still going on Monday. After Monday, the deal is gone. Our next deal, all-in cost will not be cheaper than current deal. So this is the cheapest no activation fee deal right now, and it's still on. It's just announced on Discord. It's still on until Monday, so you can still grab the cheapest discount with no activation fee. So you get a 50k account for $90 at My Funded Futures. All you have to do is use my registration link, and you type Feb 10 or Feb 15 for the 100k or Feb 20 for the 150k. So it doesn't really get cheaper than this, the true cost. And we're not talking about it too much, but it really is the cheapest. I would say something else to take a trade, but we have no trade opportunities, guys. There is just absolutely nothing. No possible shorts right now. ES is edging higher as well to make historical high. I would not go short just now. There should be a clean displacement to the downside. Russell is clearly just consolidating, so I don't see anything there. So yeah. Oh, Sahid is doing the TradingView competition as well. Good luck to you, man. Good luck, good luck. Nice. So again, the My Funded Futures discount is still on until Monday. So valid until Monday. And this is the cheapest. I mean, the true cost, including the activation fee. Not just the upfront, but including the activation fee, $90 for the 50K account. 150K account, including activation fee, $240. It doesn't get any cheaper than this, guys. Including activation. Oh yeah, I mean, I know TOPSTEP is... It's even cheaper than TOPSTEP, the 150K including activation. So, just saying. That was the promotion. Cheapest upfront cost account right now is BULENOX with 83% off still. At least the codes were working last time I checked before the stream. But Apex still has the one-day pass with 80% discount. I mean, what else can I talk about? There's no trade. Yeah, I plan to take advantage of a 50K starter, perhaps pick up a couple of them. They are, yeah, they are the price. They are that price till you pass. Yes, exactly, exactly. I hope I don't have to mention to use my code. No, actually, you can use whoever code you want, but whatever you do, the true cost is the cheapest. You know, I mean, it's really doesn't get better than this. You should be passing it in 2 months. If you can pass it in 2 months, the 50K, then you're still cheaper than other prop firms. So if you can do it in 60 days, you're still fine. Even if, well, if you do it in 90 days, it's not, I'm not sure, but for 60 days, you're still good, of course. But Apex still has a good promotion. Easy code to remember. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Nasdaq Dragon. I think you also have to use the link, Nasdaq Dragon. You have to click my affiliate link and use the code if you would like to support the stream. I asked My Funded Futures the other day and they said the customer should be clicking the affiliate link and then use the code, because I don't know, that's how cookies work. Then the cookie is going to overwrite something and that's how it works. I don't know, I'm not a computer scientist, but anyway. Trader Oracle, howdy. Trader Oracle, I wanted to say something. I forgot. Must have been not important anyway. Not important. Anyway, I wanted to thank everyone, by the way, for the month of February for the support. And we had the sale with Apex, and I don't know who were the ones exactly, but there were some people who were using my affiliate code at Apex for purchasing accounts, and that's always a few dollars into the tip jar. And I want to thank everyone for the support in February. Don't forget me in in March as well. But really, I went over the threshold, and I will gonna get a tiny affiliate commission, so that supports the stream. And thank you so much again for everyone who was using my affiliate code and links, both for TOPSTEP, for Apex, and everything. So it really means a lot. It helps out the stream. It really helps out the stream, helps out the expenses. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And you guys deserve an applause. So here you go. Getting closer to 1K, guys. So if someone still hasn't subscribed already, please do so. I think I only like 40 or 50. So let's get closer to that 1K subscribers. I can't wait it. I mean, it will be really fun. Hope we will get it soon. Hope we get a setup for London, Killzone, Silver Bullet. Not expecting much as Asia. Yeah, Asia was actually putting it in a large range. So, thank you, DX12. Good morning, P-Trader, DX12, and everyone. You guys are awesome. And thank you for the support. And just by clicking the likes, you know, subscribing, being here with me, really lifts up the channel. And slowly growing, you know, together. So the February month was awesome, and this month is going to be even better. Ended up yesterday with the red day, but I don't care, because who cares? We're here for the long run. So by the way, this morning we had rhythmic issues again. I tried to connect at the beginning of the kill zone. It was crazy. So I had this trade in the morning. It was a nice one. So I'm going to be doing some content about the My Funded Futures competition. I think it's going to be great. I'm not saying I'm going to win or something, but I'm going to be curious by the end of the month, because we have 951 contestants. How many of those contestants are going to blow their accounts? How many are going to be in profit or in drawdown? That's going to be an interesting number. So I'm really looking forward to that content. So I'm going to be doing a separate video about it on YouTube. Not every day, but a weekly recap of how I did in the month. Competition. The one thing in the rules which I like is that one contract across the board, by the way, I asked, or 10 micros and no resets and static drawdown. And so this is good. This is something I like. David, hello there. Hi, David. Is that the Star Trek spaceship? Yeah, on the top. Yes, it's the Starship Enterprise. Just to remind me that there's nothing else above this level. So above 163, there's no one that has ever been there before. Only the Starship Enterprise, because they always go where places where man has never gone before. So guys, this is uncharted space in the deep space above 18,163. There's nothing above there, only the Enterprise. So that's it. Just to remind me that it's absolutely an all-time high, historical high. This is the final frontier. There you go. There you go. There you go. The final frontier is 163, guys. So if you're asking, should we go long here? I have no freaking idea because nobody's ever been there before. So I have no targets. We can only go with the whole numbers, like maybe 19k or 20k. If this would be like 20k somewhere up here, I would say we can go for the 20k, but right now I have no freaking idea what's going to happen. I'm looking for the Russell, but it's too gapped out right now, not enough volume. And if we check the ES, I think if we go to the 1 hour, look at this, we have buy side right there, 2350. What I think ES is gonna go there. We also have Enterprise here, by the way. The final frontier is above 23 on the ES. So we still have a little bit of space here to cover for ES. I'm not trading it, especially not in the London session. But you know, I mean, I like ES, but in the London session it's just too slow. NQ just riding the trend line, 3 drives. Yeah, I don't know what to make of this, but you know, if you really want to zoom out here, let's just zoom out. Technically, and I'm not going to go short, just saying, because we have London Open and everything, but technically speaking, we have a market structure shift here with a tiny small fair value gap. I mean, it's really tiny. I can't even get it there. So there was a tiny fair value gap. If some of you guys, actually it's bigger because we have a liquidity void there. So if any one of you guys wanted to take a short, this is technically a short. With the market structure shift, we have some targets. For example, I like this sell side here at 141. But it's just I don't know. I don't know. FX and Trophy, hey there, welcome. And welcome everyone, guys. I'm so glad that you are here, and I mean everyone is here. And if someone just dropped into the stream, please, if I can ask you guys to push the like button, and if you haven't already, just subscribe, because we're heading for the 1K subscribers, and I'm very excited. So thank you for the support. And if someone also just dropped in to the stream, I want to thank everyone for last month support, for using my codes, my affiliate links. I'm really grateful to you guys. You guys really help me keep the spirit and continue to trade. I mean, of course I'm going to continue to, I'm not going to give up. So I told this many times. So Joey, hey there. If I would have to guess, I think Methodical Man is not streaming because you guys are so generous to be here with me. Yeah, Methodical Man is not streaming. So you guys said, okay, we go to the dumbbell and see his channel. No, I was joking, of course. Maybe Methodical Man is watching us from his bed, from his cell phone or tablet or something, while under the sheet, you know. There you go. There you go. I knew it. I know it. I knew. I knew. Methodical Man is not. Let's go watch the dumbbell. So here we are, alone in space with the Enterprise. I'm still very appreciative. I'm still very grateful. Don't worry, guys. I'm not going to take it the wrong way. If Methodical Man would start the stream, everybody just go. You know. I'm streaming Monday AM. What? Oh, okay, okay. All right, all right. Monday and Friday. Friday for London. It's Friday. You're streaming? What the hell? My YouTube. Okay, now you're streaming. How long have you started streaming? I'm gonna check your stream. 5 minutes ago. All right, so 5 minutes ago. That's it. All right, all right. Passed 3 Apex accounts yesterday, but the email does not contain a payment. Shame on them. Shame on them. Shame on them. Is London session tradable? Vandana, welcome. I think I didn't see you before. Thank you so much for joining. And by the way, applause for everyone who subscribed and joined as a new viewer. Is London session tradable? How volatile is it compared to New York? It's much slower. It is much slower. We stay with yeah. All right. So it's much slower most of the time. London is slower. I would love to trade the DEX. I hope that the prop firms are going to realize it should be good for them to gain more customers, and it's good for their business if they would bring the DEX into their tradable assets, because DEX would be having better volume in the London sessions. I would trade it definitely. I would be definitely looking forward to trade DEX. The best we can have right now is Nasdaq. ES is, if you look at ES, if you go down to the 1 minute chart, for example, look at the candles. These candles indicate that there is no volume. You can use the tick chart if you want to, but the 1 minute candles, it clearly says that there were no orders. A lot of places it's just empty. Nobody's trading. So yeah, it's slower. New York session is definitely even on a slow day, New York session is faster than London. You can have it, Apex, I think, right? Apex can let you do that, or because I haven't asked BULENOX or My Funded Futures. Somebody told me, maybe it was you, FX Entropy, or somebody were talking about it. If I buy the data, I can trade it. I think if I buy the data at Apex, if I pay for the data. Yeah, London opened. London opened. We see a spike a little bit lower. So if somebody would have entered on this short, then you guys would be in profit. I'm not in a trade. I was in a trade here, but I'm not in a trade right now. Apex with trader weight. Okay, there you go, Roman. Yeah, Roman. Apex with trader weight. So it would be great if they would add it somehow to Rhythmic. That's true, Saeed. Sometimes we see some very clean setups in London. New York, it tends to be sometimes a little bit blurry, especially after the 9:30 open. It gets crazy. Sometimes, yeah. New York session was very choppy from Monday. The whole week was very choppy in New York, which is not good for me because I'm looking for trend moves, intraday trends. And if intraday is pretty much choppy, then I don't have that kind of move. Also, you can trade. Also, you can trade day with LMI. Okay, DEX. Okay. Euro X additional exchange subscription apply. Okay. There you go. Euro X. All right. For the FDEX, you need to pay additional fee. All right. I knew. I mean, I heard something about that at Apex. 23. It's manageable. $23 per month for the data is manageable. But I'm not sure if, I mean, if I'm connecting through Rhythmic because I'm copy trading between multiple prop firms, I would need the data for Rhythmic. I wonder if that's possible or not. SMT with ES on 5 minute. Let's check it. 5 minute. SMT. Let's look at the Nasdaq. Oh my God. Five-minute SMT. Where? This is 5 minute. 5 minute. Oh yeah, I see that. Okay, all right. I see. Never mind. Yeah. ES is breaking lower. So ICT said, I'm not trading the SMT setups, but ICT said we should be going with the weaker pair instrument market, with the weaker market. So at this point, the weaker is ES. So that means ES can dip lower to 5109. And as for the Nasdaq, who knows, right? Yeah. So if any one of you guys are trading SMT, then maybe here's your chance. You're going to have an entry if you're looking for fair value gap right here. There's your fair value gap. And you can target, for example, these lows. I would go sell side for 0950. I'm not going to take this trade. See, it's already up there. So if you enter here, the risk reward is even better. You go with that and you put your stop. It's a beautiful 1 to 2 risk to reward. If you enter now, I am not entering, and it's not a financial advice, obviously. But if you enter right now, you have a good or higher probability setup to be profitable on ES this morning. And it's a healthy 5 handles. It's a nice 5 handles. Also, ICT says that if you see 5 handles on ES, you can safely go for it, but you need to see 5 handles. If you see only 1 handle, maybe it's not your cup of tea. But look at this. If you entered here on this spike as your advantage, then it's a good trade. Let me know how it turns out. We're gonna watch that. Actually, I'm going to watch it. I get irritated when I hear ICT. All right. You know what? I can make a promise. Hello, Teacher FX. What's up? FX Entropy, I'm going to make you a promise, and to everyone. And I think it's a good thing. I'm down to that. I'm not going to say ICT said or says. Okay? That's it. That was the last time I said it. FX Entropy, I'm sorry. I personally say I'm sorry. Please, I'm begging you. Don't go away. All right? Just don't. Itchy skin. All right. I'm begging you. Don't go. I mean, don't. I need you guys. No more. I'm not going to say it, okay? That was the last time. We're over it, okay? That's it. That's an official promise. I have to fool around, guys. There's nothing to do here. I mean, I'm waiting for my setup. What should I do? I can be like watching paint dry on the wall, like, or maybe I should be drinking some vodka martini or something. I don't know. But but or maybe I should put some whiskey into my coffee, or I don't know what they used to put in there. But I'm just waiting for my setup. I'm heck, I don't even know if I should go anytime long here because I have no targets. Look at ES. If you guys entered to ES, so there's the guy who claims that he invented smart money concept, and that guy used to say you should go for 5 handles. That guy is calling himself crazy way. His name is Michael Huddleston. I don't want to say his other name. I'm not. All right, I'm not pushing it. No, really, I stopped. That was the last time. I'm just gonna call him Daddy or something. No, I won't. I won't. Guys, the competition is almost starting at My Funded Futures. Grab your account. I would welcome anyone who joins My Funded Futures, but you have to buy a starter account at least. But there's the thing is still on, so you can still get your discount. But if you buy any kind of account from My Funded Futures, you can have a free competition account, and we can do a competition between ourselves. I have entered, and I am going to win this competition. It's going to be my own Robbins Cup. So, what can I say? I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna smash everybody down from the competition. They will know my name, guys. The industry is going to know my name. I'm gonna be the best in the competition. Yeah. Sophie, hey there. Everybody, subscribe. We're getting closer to 1K. We have to do it today, or I'm going to break my keyboard, which is already broken. No, it's not broken actually. I have 2 keyboards. Most of the time, my keyboard is filled with food, and it has some, you know, I mean, it has something organic growing underneath the buttons. I don't know, but it's still working. And sometimes just, you know, it starts to move by itself. Disgusting, right? No, not really. Or maybe, I don't know. Damn it, after the stream I'm going to play Escape from Tarkov. I have to shoot some scavs and, you know, some PMCs, whatever. By the way, I like to I'm a gamer, guys. I like to play video games. You won't believe, but I'm terrible at video games. I'm super terrible. Look at ES. If somebody took the ES, which I told you, no. You should be okay for a few more seconds. So ES is looking good. So I like to play video games. My favorite game is PUBG and Escape from Tarkov. But I am terrible. I aim such. My fighting skills are so terrible. I get shot down in the first corner. So if I play with the group, I'm the guy who dies first. That's like mandatory. And I'm the one who, I mean, they already know I'm gonna die first. So they just tell me like, okay, Tom, you go first, and you got killed, and then we're gonna know, where the shot came from. So I'm the guy. I run out, and they just shoot me, and then at least the guys will know where's the enemy. So that's how I play. Look at ES. What a beautiful play this will be. SMT short, guys. SMT short. If somebody is going with the SMTs, that's great. But you still need to sample size at least hundreds of trades. So you have to do back tests for all the SMTs. And for example, if you're trading order blocks or SMTs, you have to choose which one to trade, I think, because both of these concepts have different statistics for the edge. You can be short on an SMT, but if you're diving into an order block, a bullish order block, then you're going to have, controversial, contradicting or controversial. Which is the word? I don't know English. I can't remember. You're going to have opposite signals. That's what I meant to say. So that's why you have to decide which model you want to take. If you're trading SMT, then do not trade order blocks at the same time. Or I don't know. So you have to do a lot of sample sizing, a lot of trades, back testing, everything. But this one looking good. If you guys took it, this one is actually a really nice trade. And the reason why I don't feel the FOMO, because this is not my model. This is not my entry model. I see it. I learned about it. I read about it a lot. And now it's playing out nicely. A few weeks ago, I tried to do SMT trades for a couple of days. It didn't turn out good. And that doesn't mean it's not working. But that's why you have to go with one model, one entry model. And you can build the whole market structure around it if you want to. I'm going to check what's happening on the Russell. The Russell is... Okay, let's look at the indicators. Now you guys can see it cleaner. I have no entry. Nothing on the nothing on Nasdaq. There was an entry on the Nasdaq right here. That's what I took this morning. Right there. There was an entry. But as for the Russell, there's nothing right now. Joey, Tom, I know. I went down and retested. Then you take it. What? So you test it and I should take it? I didn't take it. I went down and retested. Then you take it. Well, just okay. So if you're preferring, if you're referring that you want to make some back testing or data or whatever, then come up with the numbers, with the results, what you have, and we can talk about it. But then we have to dedicate a separate account for the SMT entries. I don't want to flood more entries into my main copy traded accounts. I'm actually copy trading. Somebody asked me in a message yesterday after my losses, how many accounts do I copy trade? I have two groups of accounts, group 1, group 2. The group 1 is the one that I'm sharing on YouTube. It only contains the evaluation accounts from My Funded Futures, Apex, 2 accounts from Apex, 1 from My Funded Futures, and 1 from BULENOX. I'm going to share some results from the funded account from TOPSTEP as well, but it's separated, absolutely separated, and I rarely trade that account nowadays because I can't trade micros on TOPSTEP. I'm unable to trade properly with micros. I took out $300 and something payout from TOPSTEP in February, but that's nothing, of course. And I have a second group with the same type of accounts from Apex, My Funded Futures, and BULENOX, which I'm trading, copy trading. Basically with the same system, but I do a little bit of extra scalping on those accounts. All I can tell you is that those accounts are sometimes a little bit better than the ones I share here, but sometimes they way worse because of scalping. I realized that I ruin the accounts when I scalp because I'm not a good scalper. Sometimes it's okay, but you know, went down from 154 to 45 and retested 54, then went down. Oh, this one. Yeah, so we were talking about this trade. Aha, okay. Talking about this short. So we talked about this short here. So even if you took it at 54, for example here, stop loss should be up there. With the 1 to 2 risk to reward, you should have been fine already. Look at this, even if you took it there. So this was a nice trade. There was a small structure shift. So this short played out actually very nicely if someone took that. We had a structure shift, we had a small fair value gap, a tiny one with the liquidity void, and price actually went back up there. But if somebody was a little bit impatient, you can still have the ride here, and as you can see, it turned out okay. So yeah, it turned out to be a nice short trade. This one was a nice one, even if you forgot to enter up there. So if you were late, 54, if you were late by 2 points, you could still had it, this trade. This was a nice one. Yes, also looking good still. I think it's gonna take out, and now it's retracing, but I think it has a high chance to take out the 0950s. Someone took that. Methodical Man took the short. Which short? Did you take the NQ short? I guess you did, right? Or did you take the green C316 on 4 TOPSTEP? Nice, dude. Methodical Man. He's killing it. I told you guys, he's a celebrity. If somebody is new in the stream and didn't hear about Methodical Man, go check his stream out because... NQ, alright. Go check his stream out because he's kind of a celebrity. I am one too, but he's a big shot, you know. He skyrocketed to fame. He knows all the big fellas. He knows Patrick Wieland. He knows Michael Huddleston in person. They used to play golf, you know, in Maryland. And yeah, he actually had an invitation for barbecue. So Methodical Man is a real celebrity, and last month he traveled down to New Zealand to Cami. So he knows Cami Capital. He knows everyone, and he's managing right now. I wrote it down, so let me just check it. I know I have it. I have it right here. Methodical Man is managing currently 231 funded accounts across the globe. So he's a big shot. Go check him out. The penguin suit is coming, so don't worry about that. It's gonna be all set up in the back here. There's gonna be a pool, jacuzzi. The jacuzzi is gonna be, I'm gonna be buying a new webcam for the jacuzzi. I'm gonna be having the penguin suit and everything, and it's gonna be awesome. Yeah, you guys will enjoy. Yeah. So this trade was quite a nice one. I feel a little bit of FOMO, but not really. The thing is, I took a long here. Actually, it was a little bit before the kill zone, but I thought we are gonna make a new high, so I entered to a long. It was a nice, I wanted to risk to reward, so I took that trade. And I was a little bit scared because the same thing happened to me yesterday. I had a nice trade and then I gave it back. I have one model mainly, which you can I targeted the equal lows at 118. Okay, 118, all the way down there. Okay, yeah, I see that. Yeah. Oh yeah, I see that. Methodical man is going for it, guys. He is, look at that. 144, 34. Okay, 34 was your target. Nice trade, by the way. I think trade of the day goes for Methodical man. 134. What a perfect trade. Look at this. The guy nailed it. Taking out these wicks. Beautiful TP there. There's more. Yeah. Definitely. Especially it's look at this congestion area right there, and we have equal lows down there. It can definitely go down. How about ES is going down to that place we called out. Awesome. So I have my main entry model, which is technically the YouTube 2022 model, but I basically take the trade in the direction of the trend. And the EMAs and the RSIs are helping me to decide which way is the trend going. And that's how simple it is, my system. That's how simple my system is. You can check it out at pip.ninja, but that's how simple my system is, basically. I have a mini course there, but because I realized that sometimes many people, many traders get confused. Where is the bias? Where is the trend? Where is it going? So I got confused many times before as well. And the EMA and the RSI is helping me to make the decision a little bit more easier. Like if I see the trend evolving and I see the setup when the EMAs are congesting together and try to go again with the displacement and the market structure shift, then I know that, okay, so this is going to be most likely the trend, and then I just ride it. And that's my strategy. That's my that's my entry model. But sometimes if something like this comes along the way, so this is my main entry model, and my secondary entry is technically a counter trend entry, because the YouTube 2022 model is kind of like a counter trend entry, because you're looking for reversals in the trend. So I take these as well, but you know, I'm still making some calculations and everything about, and back tests about the profitability if I can take both of these entries. I mean, if I can take the classic entry next to my main entry model, if I'm looking for a reversal in trend. In this case, this would have been a nice trade, but after yesterday I was a little bit frustrated. I was happy that I took some profits this morning, and that's why I didn't enter. I get a little scared. It happens. So what about ES? Ah, look at ES. Wow, look at ES. It actually got to 0950. 0950 has been tagged. What a trade. Which I wasn't in. So there you have it. It was an SMT divergence with the classic short entry. So nice. If you are scared, yeah, I did that yesterday. Yesterday, yesterday I entered my first trade, which was a winner, with around 70 something dollars risk with micros, and the second trade was a loss, and but the second trade I entered with like around $50 or $45 risk with the micros. It was a loss, and the next trades I just entered with the smallest position size, so I was entering with $30 or $40 on average. So that's how by the end of the day I averaged around, how much was it? I averaged around $180 in losses per account, and that's how I ended up with 4 accounts, negative $721. So I downsized my risk. Some traders are trading kind of like a martingale system. If they lose, they're adding more to their positions for the next ones. I tried to do a little bit the opposite, and yesterday it proved me right. So I downsized. By the 4th trade or 5th trade, which I lost, I think I had 3 or 4 stop losses after my win. By the 3rd or 4th time, I was like the tiniest position, and that's how I managed to survive with a relatively smaller loss. But my mental stop was, well, it's about $250 per account, which is about nearly $1,000 across the 4 evaluation accounts. I'm trading very small size, I know. I'm thinking about maybe to shift into higher gear because maybe it's going to be a little bit slow. I was doing some calculations, and with this phase I'm going to be lucky if I can finish the evals by the end of this month. So I have to scale it up a little bit, I think, but it's not going to be today on Friday. Maybe from next week. Next week is NFP week. I know that. Guys, I don't know what's the problem with NFT week. NFP, sorry. I don't know what's the problem with that, because I went over my journal in the past year, and all of my best weeks, I know it sounds crazy, but my best weeks was the NFP weeks. Of course, I had some break-even and weird weeks, but the NFP weeks were, for me, they were not that bad. Everybody's saying, oh, don't trade, it's NFP week, don't trade. Don't push the button because it's NFP week. Guys, I had great price action during the NFP weeks. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, it was great. I did not trade the NFP news event, of course, and after that on Friday, because why should I do that? But from Monday to Friday until Friday New York session started, everything went perfectly. So you guys are welcome to disagree with me, but I was doing okay during the NFP weeks. Okay, I can see now that next week is going to be terrible after this after this sentence, after this monologue. Next week is going to be crazy, right? Never say that. That guy who's talking a lot about smart money, you know. yeah, I think he thinks that. Yeah. I'm not going to say that out anymore. I made a promise to FX and Trophy, so I'm not going to say that anymore. I really don't. I don't want to, because I really don't want to relate that much to that, because I want to carve out my own way, and I learned a lot, but you know, have to move forward. So yes, all I can say to you guys, if you know what you're doing, if you have your entry model, you have your numbers, you have your strategy and everything, you know risk management, NFP week is great. You can trade absolutely normally, as you should. So he who shall not, oh, there you go. He who shall not be named. There you go. There you go. That's perfect. That's perfect. Competition starting 1 hour, 26 minutes. Everyone, you're welcome to join. Oh, look at that. Methodical man's levels are gonna play out. Look at that until the 18. Maybe I'm gonna jump in full port to a short. I can take 2 minis. That can bring me like at least $400 per account for a 10 point short. Should I take it? And if it not works out, I'm just gonna lose like $4,000 per account, which is still manageable, right? I'm gonna go with no stop loss. If I jump in, no stop loss. Why should I put a stop loss if I go full margin? That's crazy. Using stop loss with full margin. Why would I? Why should I? Stop loss is for babies, you know. If somebody hasn't subscribed already, please help me out. Getting closer to the 1K subscribers. I'm very excited. Hopefully we'll get there. And yeah. All right. Let's see what's going on. Still going down here. Downhill, if I may say. Still going downhill. Okay, look at ES. It was beautiful. This trade was really great. Let's check the Russell. Oh wow, look at the Russell. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. What is this? That's crazy. Made the structure shifts, more fair value gap. Almost like an entry. We don't tell. The one who we shall not name. Oh yeah, it still has a fair value gap down there, so no entry on the Russell. Gonna wait, guys. Oil short working nicely. You're short. Oh, look at that. Oil is dumping. That looks good. $78.43. Wow. You are awesome, man. Look at this. Wow, nice short there. Congratulations. This was a nice entry there. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, Saeed. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Congrats. That's a very nice entry. That is absolutely a great entry. What else do we have? Ba-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum. Okay. Still going. All right. Everything is okay. Just checking some stats. You can still reach these lows here from today's low is not far, and also we have the level that Methodical Man said, the 18. That's really a good level. I like that. I like the 18. I like the 18 level. Let's hope that we can get it. I mean, I'm not in a trade, but you know. Okay. What else do we have? Classic setup. Yeah. 50% of yesterday's daily range. All right. We're still in the silver bullet hour, guys. So I can absolutely imagine that if this one can actually dump down there. There's still a fair value gap down at, where is it at below 25. So you know, it can happen. It can definitely go. We have fair value gaps down there. A lot of stuff happening right now over there. So the daily, I mean the midnight level and the Asia lows, there can be actually swept easily. NQ testing the hourly order block, yeah. Hold on, just checking something. All right. Okay, nothing crazy. So it can actually go down there. Look at that. Spike down. And there you go. The 18 level is very, 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 very close actually. The 1 hour order block, let me delete this enterprise for now. The 1 hour order block, yeah, it's testing it. It's definitely testing it. We have an order block there. And on the 1 hour, we have fair value gap down there. So quite interesting. Maybe it will go down. Who knows? I think it has more into it to go to the downside. Especially go to 21 from here. You know, it would be just a scalp for it to go all the way to 21. Or at least below the 20s. Who knows, right? There you go. Down there almost. These levels are gonna get caught here. It was a nice call. Short scalp from Yoshi. Oh, to it's too small. The range is not good for me. Looks good, but I don't know. I'm looking to scalp it. I'm looking to do a scalp. I was actually really considering it to go for a scalp because I have it opened on my chart. If I see, but I have to see how candles are printing, how it goes, how it looks, you know. But I mean, it looks good. Is it going to take it? Who knows, right? If it would go down to at least the 20s, that would be great. I'm in a very sure I'm in a scalp right now, but I don't know. Okay, I exited. I scalped it with 1 mini. I scalped it with 1 mini for 2 points. I can't handle more because I just want to protect it. So it was a very quick. With the commission and everything, I made like $20 per account, but it's good, you know. For me, it was okay. It was just a quick scalp. It was just a quick scalp. So P trading, you actually convinced me to take a small scalp. It was with 1 mini, as you can see, limit order is closed, everything is closed. But it was a very tiny scalp for me. The 18 level, it was a great call. So I'm gonna give an applause to Methodical Man. He called this level out very nicely. It was a great call. And I made like 2 points net, or maybe 1.5 points net. But you know, profit is profit. And if I scalp, I only go for 2 or 3 points. Sometimes if I go with a mini, and that's it. And if it goes against me, I cannot do a good risk reward on scalping like this, because if it goes against me for 5 or 6 points, I have to close it, and then it messes me up. So, but you know, at least it was a little bit of profit. Feels like London is the high of the day. I mean, I think London is definitely target hit. Congratulations, P Trading. Congrats there. Applause. I have to give credit to Methodical Man. He was also very good on this call. This analysis was great by him. I think, by the way, we can still catch this 115.50 level. This swing right here. This one. So that can be still in play. But, you know, because this is a juicy swing there. If they want to distribute, they should do a full job and just go lower than the 15. But, you know. I'm always get a little bit nervous when I have to scalp. But at least it turned out okay. The accounts are in positive for now. I have to do a calculation again. Oh, 100 lot has subscribed. Thank you so much for the subscription. Awesome. Applause to 100 lot. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the subscription. I don't know why Streamlabs is not writing out the new subs, because the settings is turned on. But if somebody, by the way, didn't see the bot or didn't hear a bell going on, it sometimes could be because your YouTube is set to private, and that doesn't give the permission to Streamlabs to call it out. But thank you so much for the subscription. 100 lot says, I want to make lots of money. 100 lot, you're in a good place, but I would like to tell you that it's not going to happen overnight, but we're on the track. We're on a very good track. So 100 lot, thank you. We're on a good track to do that. And thanks again for subscribing. If someone is new, please push the like button. We're getting closer to the 1,000 subscriber check mark, which is going to be a really, really awesome milestone for me. And it helps out the stream greatly if you guys could subscribe. We're getting closer and closer every day to the 1K. And if we can do it in a few days, next week I'm gonna do something special. I promised you guys a giveaway for this week, which didn't happen yet, and I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna do the giveaway. It's gonna be Discord, it's gonna be evaluation account. Yeah, 115. That's what I said. We should be popping the 15. It popped it? No, it didn't pop it yet. But be careful, it can just, you know, reverse like super easy. So we're gonna do giveaway evaluation account, one evaluation account, and one or two Discord memberships, and one trading course. That's what I can do. 112. It didn't pop the 15 level yet. So that's why you should be careful, because if you entered with a high lot size here, then you could be in a steep drawdown. Be careful with these swings here. Wow, look at this. It's crazy. Crazy how the Russell reacted to here. I mean, this was a classic YouTube 2022 entry from this point. Let's just go with this. I didn't take it before anybody asks. But it was technically a TP2. Look at that. Wow. What a move. 55, 54. Okay. Yeah, that should have been with 20 micros or 2 full-size Russells. This was a tight one. But hey, look at that. We're popping back from 15 up there. That's why I said be careful. We have a small order block. Well, not really. So I'm long here and there. Okay. FX entropy is long. The problem for me before going long here is that it didn't really take out this 15 level. So it can just sweep some more liquidity and do one more stab down there. Now it's happening. It should be fast. It should be going down fast if the target is at 15. If the target is down there. That's a big if. Russell is going back up there. Wow. Look at that. Going back like crazy. And by the way, there's something else I start to realize more and more. Maybe I should just focusing on one single market. Sometimes I say maybe one more, so maybe sometimes you can do 2 markets. But, you know, I think as far as I look back on my journal and the results, I should be focusing on one single market. At least per session, or I don't know, but one single market. Focusing on more than one market can, you know, double your risk. Actually, you're doubling your risk by focusing on more than one market. Or 2 markets, sorry, in this case. You're doubling your risk. You have to recalculate everything once more. Most of the successful traders told me, and I was watching YouTube and I was reading all about it, that they said that they were doing much better, way better, when they were focusing on one single market. Which is logical, you know. But I also know some guys who are watching for like 5 or 6 markets at a time, and I think that's quite interesting. Somebody subscribed again. Milton, hey there. Milton, welcome, welcome, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for the subscription. Huge applause. We're going to get closer to 1K soon. Milton, thank you. Don't forget, guys, to push the like button because that really helps out the stream. The 1K milestone is within reach now. So that is so awesome. Thank you for all the support. Feels great, guys. It really feels great. Let me do some calculation here. So our latest subscriber, Milton, is welcomed on the channel. All right. Consider, guys, to grab your discounts at MyFunded Futures. It's still the cheapest one. They extended the promotion with the no activation fee if you use my link. If you're a brand new customer at TOPSTEP, your first and only, the first account is going to have a 20% discount if you use my link. And with Apex, there is still a very nice 80% discount. So very cheap upfront cost. Go check it out. Apex is very good for jumping in and start trading. Helps out the channel with a few dollars here and there. And yeah. And you can join my Discord where we share setups, entries, signals. I'm going to be streaming there as well. And you can have a lifetime membership if you check my course at pip.ninja. 50-minute mini course for $49. It helps out the stream also and the journey because I'm not yet a Lambo trader, but I'm happy to share every information I can. All right, that was the commercial. We had very good calls this morning. We had very good calls, good scalps. So let's see what else we have. Beautiful Friday so far. Let's not ruin it. Look at these equal lows here. The thing is that we're hovering in this area tells me that I don't know if they will have one more push to the downside. We have the 34 level, which is kind of juicy to sweep some liquidity up there. Oh, calculator. Let me calculate my hold on. Okay. Why did I close it? Okay. I'm just doing some risk management, you know. Very important. Okay. What else? Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? All right. It's fine. 40 plus. Okay. All right. Nice. Doing great, doing great. DVJ Under, hey there. How you doing? Nice to see you on the channel. Hello, hello. How you doing? How is everybody doing, by the way? Hope everybody hope. Oh wow, look at what's happening on the Russell. Wow, wow, wow. If I zoom out on the Russell, for example, on the 15-minute chart, yeah, we could be going for lower here. What a trade. What a trade can this one be? Yeah, this is going to close somewhere here. Risk to reward can go down here. I know you guys don't trade it. I know. High is 56.4. Entry is 56.4. Quantity should be, yeah. All right. 5. Okay. A question, Tom. Which futures prop firm can you operate in London? In London, mostly every one of them is good for London session. So you can trade the Nasdaq, which is so far a good opportunity to trade in the London session. Hold on, I'm just going to so basically all of them are okay. Entry price 56.4. Just a second, I'll be with you in a second. 56.4. So basically all of them are okay-ish. And oh, that's why I say you should be fine with basically all of them. Apex is a very good one because you can trade with micros, so I strongly advise everyone towards Apex. My funded futures is also very good. You can also go with the micros. TOPSTEP is a good company, but they still didn't made it to work with more than 2 micros. So that's the only thing I don't really like. They should be doing something about that. So that's the only thing that should be done or covered somehow. Otherwise, you can trade all of them. Nasdaq. Oh, Nasdaq. Sorry, I wasn't reading. Crypto Panda Tom updated it. My Apex dashboard and Rhythmic, no updates. I haven't checked my dashboard yet. Let me check it real quick. Apex. Let me check my dashboard for you. Account summary. Well, it says yesterday, so it's updated for me so far. For me, it's updated. I don't know. 55.8. For me, it looks okay. On my end, I don't know. So far, I see everything fine. TOPSTEP is running a micro conversation. Their new, the new TOPSTEP X platform, and that's a smaller issue for me, but because I'm copy trading between multiple prop firms. I'm just watching the Russell, and so that's why I wanted to know if they come out with a solution not just for TOPSTEP X but for trade. I mean, for the rhythmic connections, NinjaTrader, whatever, you know. So I thought that they will do something about that, but it seems like they won't. I mean, of course, that's their own platform, so it's understandable that they want to promote their own platform, but I cannot copy trade through TOPSTEP X between multiple accounts, and you know, that's not something I'm looking into right now. Otherwise, TOPSTEP is great, but I thought that they will come out with a solution for the other platforms as well, but nothing so far. And that is not something I like. But you know, it's their decision, and I understand their business decision. Yeah, they said it's just for the new platform. Guess it's not going to touch VWAP. Yeah. Also, I'm in a very, very small position, like $40 or something in the Russell. It's going to take me out, unfortunately. I really thought that we are going to continue to drop, but I don't think so. I thought that we're going to. It swept the liquidity, and now it's just going to go up. So I was really looking for continuation down there. We have almost relative equal lows. We have an order block here. I thought that we're gonna attack the order block once more, and it's not working out the way I wanted it to be, but it's fine. Is the X platform gonna be free? I think, yeah. I think it's included in their price. So yeah. I think it will be. Look at that. We're going up there again. So I think it's free. As for the activation, they are still going to have the activation fee for their own platform. But it's the business model, guys. It's the prop business model. But you know, nothing else we can do about that. I was only hoping that they will provide something for other platforms. I was really hoping that they will do that, but not for now. Guys, I am feeling a little dizzy, to be honest. You're done trading? You're right, this thing is completely different beast. Yeah, I mean, it tricked me sometimes. So be careful with that. Hey, Dominic. Good to see you there. How you doing, Dominic? I don't know if Nasdaq wants to scalp down. Trying to drink water. What they saying? Yeah. I have water. I was drinking. Yeah, crude is ripping. It's ripping, right? Crazy bullish candle from nowhere. Oh, really? Oh, wow. Crazy things are happening sometimes. We're still in that kill zone. Very sensitive for news, right? My Russell is not looking good, but yeah. This one can be like it seems like Nasdaq can also turn long here. Who knows, right? I don't know what Nasdaq wants here. I'm trying to read it, but still have some time in the London kill zone. But I don't know. It's hard to make of it. Russell might want to go down, go up back again, but it's hard to read the Nasdaq. I think it just wants to continue higher again. Wow. Kind of interesting. Made a structure shift, but no fair value gaps there. I don't know. What would make you enter long on NQ? Well, first of all, I would like to see, there's two models I use. I use the classic ICT entry. I know I don't say his name, but I had to. Which is this one, a classic reversal. But my main entry model would be if a clear change in trend. But even if I would want to really enter, I want to see a fair value gap here in this area. I want to see a fair value gap, and there was no fair value gap there to go long. Because there was a market structure shift here, but no fair value gaps. And I really wanted to see that. So that would be needed for me to enter a long position. But since there is no fair value gap, we swept some lows, but the only thing that concerns me is that we didn't sweep this low here. But I don't know. So that's what would be needed for me to go long there, Brian. Let me know what you guys are thinking about Nasdaq right now. What do you think where it should go? Do you see any order blocks or whatever? Targets, anything? Let me know. Is it going to continue higher here? Should we wait for new subscriber, Brian? Oh man, let's push the applause button for Brian. Thank you so much. As a new subscriber, Brian, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the team. I love new subscribers. I love everyone. But it's good to have someone new. We're getting closer to that 1K, guys. So subscribe, help out the channel, helps out the journey, and push the like button. Thank you, Brian, for being here. So my entry model is, I have my own entry model, but you can check it at pip.in, just a mini course. Nothing super serious there, but I explain in a 50-minute mini course how I exactly enter, why I enter, what indicators I use exactly. I also have a Discord access lifetime with the mini course, but you can just join the Discord. It's $10 a month, or anyone who would like to support. But I use a little bit of smart money concept there, but it's still niche. Hey there, thank you for the subscription. Welcome, welcome, and applause for another new subscriber. Thank you. It's awesome. You guys are just awesome. Thank you for being here and supporting. So I still don't know what to do with Nasdaq right now. It might try to dump once more to take that low down there, but so far we saw a market structure shift, but you know, nothing else. So I'm not sure what to make of this. Let me know what you guys think about the Nasdaq right now. I'm watching closely the Nasdaq, but I just don't. I mean, I'm trying to understand how the candles are printing. Where should it go? Should it be good for a scalp until the 44 level? I don't know that, but it's definitely interesting. But you know, Kevin, oh hey there. Sorry, I wasn't reading the chat. Structure looks bullish. Okay, all right. Brian, I'm usually not up this late. I haven't heard the term London kill zone. Do you mind filling me? Well, it's just a smart money phrase. The kill zone. It's from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. technically, Eastern Standard Time. That's where the most of the volume is playing in the London session. That's all you have to know about the kill zone term. 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is the so-called biggest volume play time in the London session. So basically that's it. I trade a London session. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I like the London session. Sometimes it brings me clean entries. Sometimes not. Depends, you know, it depends. Hold on, I just have to make a really quick calculation. Guys, don't go anywhere. I just have to calculate some risk. I really have to calculate some risk. Okay, it's fine. I did some calculations, and my calculations are correct. Okay, it's fine. We're fine. Trying to calculate some scalp, but I just can't. I exited my Russell trade, by the way. Maybe I shouldn't have exited, but I just calculated my profits for the day, including the scalp. And oh, look at that. That's what I was aiming for, actually. I was aiming for to scalp this high here in this zone, and I just missed it. We still have 15-minute bearish gap on NQ. Yeah, 15-minute. All right, let's check it. There you go. We went into the 15-minute fair value gap here. Right here. So maybe, just maybe, if we zoom back down to the 1 minute, we could be continuing lower. So, you know, I need to see a clean shift in the structure to consider to go with the Nasdaq in the direction of the trend. So I'm going to watch this a little bit closer. If I see something, I'm definitely taking it. So Kevin, welcome, by the way. Thank you for being here, everyone. Kevin, I trade in the London session and in the New York session as well. And for my Discord members, I'm sharing my screen too, and we're gonna have some discussions during the rest of the day. So if someone wants to be a member, there's a link down below. It's $10 a month. I share some entries. We can share some exchange, information, setups. We have some educational. There are only a few people there. It's a small Discord group, but you can join anytime. It supports the stream and the journey. So. Rivis, hey there. Hi, do you use mechanical trading strategy, for example, strict rules for entries? I'm not a discretionary trader, and Rivis, it's a very, very good question. I use a strict mechanical strategy. I do have a strict and straight down to the rules mechanical strategy. I'm using a set of indicators which are basically the same as almost the same as you see on TradingView right now. I'm having a MetaTrader platform open because I have a custom programmed exponential moving averages and custom programmed relative strength index indicator with some levels that are programmed into the indicator. If you check the last few videos of my daily recaps, technically all of my trades are made by this indicator system. So yes, I am using a mechanical system because if I try to trade discretionally based on my feelings, I mess up the things. And there's a video, if you check it at pip.ninja, you don't have to buy the system. I have a $49 mini course. It's a 50-minute mini course. You can download my indicators. You can join the lifetime Discord membership where I share setups and do streams for Discord members. So setups, indicators, webinars, educational materials, and in the 50-minute mini course I explain in detail how I do my risk management, where I enter exactly, what are the key points for entering. Everything is there. It's not going to make you a millionaire, and it's depending on your personality. It's a very, very seems a lot like strat system. Yeah. Yeah. It's basically a intraday trend following system that I use, and that's what it's called. It's called trend following. It's called Pip Ninja trend following system. I have a 4 or 5 minute video on pip.ninja. If you don't even want to join the course, you can just watch the video and I explain why it is good to use a mechanical system. So that's why Raivit's questions was very good. And I did some video about this in the past. And I know I got that, oh, you're just selling a course. Yes, I'm selling a course because right now I'm not doing enough money from prop firm payouts to pay my bills. Guys, this is the truth. I'm full-time here trading on YouTube and sharing the information, and I'm trying to build up some revenue streams, and I built up my small mini course there. That's it. What can I say? In exchange, you get everything I can share information. So that's it. From the Philippines, nice. London and New York. When do you sleep? I never sleep. My room actually looks like the devil's advocate. I have nothing there. Like in Al Pacino's room looked like in the devil's advocate. I have a desk and a chair, and that's it. I'm not sleeping. No, I have no sleep. I'm gonna be asleep when I'm dead. So I'll be sleeping a lot. It's okay. We all know, lose a lot. There you go. Nas knows that. 29 subs. Thank you guys for until we get to 1,000. I'm very excited. So thank you for everyone for the support. Noja, I actually plan to take the time to learn what a PD array is, FVG. Yeah, I mean, you can learn all these things, but you don't. Oh, there you go. I exited. You don't really have to learn everything. I mean, learning all the ICT concepts is not mandatory. It's you can go with one or two things, because if you learn everything, you're gonna be so confused that it's gonna mess up your thinking process. So it's not mandatory. You don't have to do all that. Okay, so there you go. Now we have a market structure shift on the Nasdaq, and this is interesting for me. This is interesting because we have relative equal lows down there, right here. Looks juicy, to be honest. So if this candle is going to leave a fair value gap, then it is something that is interesting, at least for me. We have a bearish market structure shift right down there. And what else we have? So bearish market structure shift. If the fair value gap, the next one, is going to stay like this, I am going to consider to give it a... I'm gonna use different color. Oh, look at that. It's dropping. So maybe I'm considering to give a... I'm gonna put it here. Maybe 3 contracts, micro. I don't know. 3 micros should be enough, right? 3 micros from the high of this candle is 34.75. 3 micros. 34.75. All right. I have a limit order placed. Nothing fancy. My limit order is at 34.75 if we're bouncing back up there, and then I'm gonna go short. I think. Yeah. If it goes back up there to 34.75, I'm gonna go short. Okay, I'm filled, and now I'm scared because it's going up like crazy. Do we have some news? We had some news, I know, because we have this PMI numbers, but it's 10:32. We have pound, we have euro CPI soon. But anyway, I'm in the short trade, guys, from 34.75. 34.75, and the stop loss is 44.75. Oh my god. I'm short again. And now I'm scared. But I'm gonna only take, I mean, this, I'm not scared. I'm actually using smaller risk, and I made some profits today. So the profit, the TP should be down there at this level. So we should be taking out the 15.50 level. The low was actually, I'm gonna tell you, the low was 15.50. I'm not sure if it wants to take it out, but if it starts to dump, I sure like to be there. Actually, the TP profit level should be there. So that's the trade for now. OT here also, yeah. The 15-minute helped us with the spike, but I'm a little bit scared. But I mean, not scared, but concerned that it can still go for higher liquidity. Maybe my stop is a little bit tight on this one, but I don't know. I'll see. Optimal trade entry. Optimal, look for M15 summarizing retracement on that leg down. Oh, really? M15? Okay. Reasonable. 15-minute chart. By the way, oh yeah, Russell is going up as well. Yeah. Oh, damn it. It's gonna take me out. Unfortunate. It's gonna take me out. But it is what it is, guys. I cannot do anything with situations like this. I tried what I could. I thought we were gonna just, you know, revisit that low to reprice it or to take out. It was a juicy point down there, but I think it's gonna go higher. Maybe it's gonna reprice all the way back up there. I mean, we can have maybe one more entry later on, but for now, this trade is gonna be to the dumpster again. This is trading, guys. Yeah, it's gonna take out that high. Maybe my stop is a little bit tight, but I didn't really want it to risk more here. So, but it goes up, it seems like it. Yeah. Almost out. Just one more spike. 1 point. And I am out. Okay. Officially out. Hit the stop loss. It is what it is. We had some good calls here, but this one didn't really turn out fine. The Russell is also back up there. What the hell is going on? I just don't understand. Interesting. Just don't like the time. Yeah, I mean, but look at that. It just took that out, and now maybe it's gonna dump again. A little crazy situation, to be honest. But if it goes up again to the 15-minute, then maybe, well, I don't know. Maybe it will reprice higher. Hard to tell. It was looking good for my entry model. Definitely it was looking good, so. I know the RSI is, I'm not basing my exact entry on the RSI. The RSI is just giving me kind of an extra confluence if I should be looking for a retracement or something, you know. I do have a custom stochastic too, but it's just, I mean, again, it's not that mandatory. I'm just looking at the RSI to see some, maybe some diversions, or seeing for some oversold overbought levels. Of course, we cannot win them all. It's like this, you know. It is what it is, and I'm still had a nice trade here. I'm happy about that. So I'm absolutely fine. It's still interesting though how it went up there. Let me put this a little. Okay, now it's better. I hope I deleted every line here. It can still go higher, of course, which it did. Interesting to see though that 145, it has the high here. I don't know. Quite interesting. Russell also went back up there. But yeah, we cannot win them all. That is true. I will definitely look on the charts. Long the inversion. Yeah, there was an inversion gap here. Which could be working out nicely. It can also reprice the whole 15-minute gap. All the way up there to the 50s. So that is quite interesting. Otherwise, I don't know. I'm still looking for some levels here. The Russell almost went down there. It was looking good, but it didn't reach the target. It can still go, but yeah. Where do I have it? I did have that Russell trade, right? I had it. Yeah. Yeah, I had that. So yeah, this one is, well, it only has a small wiggle room there until 46. Not the best one. I don't think it's gonna dump here. It should. Now it seems like it just wants to go higher. I don't know. I don't think it will dump down once more. Because, you know, we have this relative equal low here, which is really looking good, but I don't think that's enough for it right now. It just wants to go higher. It's I wonder what the ES is. Yeah, the ES is in the fair value gap, but I don't know. This would be crazy if it takes me out and then goes down. That would be really crazy. That would be really crazy. Yeah, nice inversion setup for long. Yeah. Also, no one who is cool is using regular VWAP anymore. Anchor VWAP. Okay. Hello there. Prodby. Prodby Pack 2. Thank you for joining the stream. Hold on, I have to check my charts. Just a second. Can I trade with my Apex account on MT4 or no, you can't. I'm just using the MT4. It's a free demo account which you can download anywhere, and you can use it. You can't trade with Apex with MT4. I'm just using it for charting. That's it. All-time highs, baby. London launch soon. Let's see if they want to pump or dump. Yeah, they should do something soon. They should decide what they want to do. They want to dump or pump or whatever. Why would that be crazy? The market only does three things: goes up, down, sideways. Yeah, true. Actually true. You have truth there. You're actually right. You're actually right. That's what the market does, guys. All right, I'm just pushing my lines here and there, but unfortunately this one took me out. And look at that, it's going to dump, and I'm going to eat my hat. That's for sure. If I would have a hat. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Took me out, and now it's just going down. I just can't handle it, guys. It's too much for a Friday. At least I'm wishing that it go up and, you know, do its job. Now I just want Nasdaq to go all-time high. And, you know, trading is emotional. What can I say? It's emotional. It is emotional. Oh man. What can we do, you know? But can I trade on TradingView? Yes, you can. Sorry. Yeah, I wasn't reading the chat. Yeah, you can. Yes. Time to run it. Oh my god, that was actually the best. That was great. That was good. Time to run it, you know, like. Can you choose trade away? Yeah. Do you have access to 9 indicator on TradingView? Please stop putting emotional. No, I'm not. I'm just, you know, pumping up the scene. I am absolutely. I'm so empty, guys. I'm couldn't be emptier. I'm actually in profit. So I'm going to tell you guys how much I'm in profit, including the losses. I'm going to let you guys do a brief calculation across these accounts, which I'm sharing on the daily recap. I'm in profit, so okay, that's good. That account is the okay. That's a 90. Okay, I should be over 400 across the accounts. First apex is oh, there you go. Okay. And the second apex, I'm gonna tell you guys the exact number, just adding all this together. Nice. So all that together is plus. Okay. Okay. There you go. $394. I thought that it's gonna be for $394 in profit across the evals. So at least and including losses. So at least I got some losses back from yesterday. So I'm quite happy. I'm quite happy about that. Almost $400 in profit in the London session, including losses. So I'm perfectly fine. I am perfectly fine. Be like water, my friend, and trade the market flow. Oh yeah, Peregrine's. Yeah. So F that. Yeah, just trade what you see and perhaps stick with the market structure. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what we're all doing. If I would have put my stop loss, by the way, to the 47s, we would be still in the same trade. Just saying, you know. Also, the Russell would be in as well, in play. You know, can still be. It could be still valid, but I don't know if they want to dump it or not. I think they should. You know. I think they should dump it. Take out that low. I'm just trading my strategy, nothing else, guys. Bum, bum, bum. We have some news at 11, core PPI, all right. ISM manufacturing numbers are coming out. That's good. That's something I'm interested in. And of course, I'm going to continue by putting on trades if I see my entry. So yeah, we just have to wait and see. I have to analyze this entry on Nasdaq because if my entry would have been at 36.75, which is a little bit higher, then quantity wise, yeah, could be still good. So this would be still a valid entry if I would use the proper stop loss there, and the risk reward ratio would still be at 1 to 2. I'm just analyzing, you know, recapping the trade. That would be still a valid trade according to a proper settings. Just saying. I know you have to leave the threshold on BULENOX, but I also read you can take out the whole. Yeah. Yes. Yes, you can take out the whole. You can take out the whole account, but they are going to terminate your account. That's it. I would say if you're brand new and it's your first time trading, it depends on how much money you spent on evaluations. You know, what's your targets, what's your goal. I would say it's something to think about. So when you reach the $2,600 threshold, you can take that money and close the account, and then you will have the money in your account. You will have experience. You will have a lot of things to think about how you want to continue. You may try to enter a new evaluation account and reassess your thoughts. You know, having some extra money on your account is always a good thing. So if that's your first account, or you're brand new or haven't really taken out money from prop firms, then I would consider to take out the whole amount. And you know, you can always just spend a portion of that money and start over if you know risk management. You know, that would be really something to look into. Now look at the Russell, now it's going. So that would be really something to look into if I were you. Consider that. I think it's a good idea to go with. So you should definitely consider that. I do feel some FOMO about this because, as you can see, if I would have used the proper stop, I would be still in the trade. And if I would have not be fighting with fear, I would be still in the trade on this one too. I'm gonna be journaling about this later on, but I'm absolutely fine with it. So the target for here, it seems like it's gonna be the low at 15. Let me see, which was the low here. This swing low is gonna be the target if it wants to dump. The low here is 15.50. So this 15.50 all the way down there. And now it seems like it wants to go there. And guys, if someone is new on the stream, can you please subscribe, push the like? We're getting close to 1K, guys. I'm super happy about that. And this trade, by the way, is also based on my entry model. It's still valid. And I don't know why I closed it down. Maybe I should be happy with the small profit for the rest of the day and call it a Friday, you know, because I wouldn't want to give it back, especially on Friday and especially after yesterday's losses. So I should be happy with with the profits. What do you guys think? Should I continue to trade, or I should be happy that I ended up in a decent profit for the Friday because it's Friday, and I should call it a day? I mean, I can trade, I want to trade, but maybe on a separate account, maybe on a practice account, or a totally different evaluation account. Oh, Prodby, oh, thank you so much for the subscription. How to pronounce your name? Prodbypec2. Prodbypec2. That's how I'm gonna say. Prodbypec2, thank you so much for the sub. It helps out the channel. And guys, I'm so grateful for every subscription and like. So also, if you want to help out the stream, use my links and codes. My funded futures extended until Monday. If you subscribe to a starter plan, you won't be having activation fee, which is somewhere here. There you go. Stop, it's just consolidating. There you go. Joey said it. Thank you, Joey, for that. So the My Funded Futures is having no activation fee for starter accounts. You look at that, you have absolutely a good deal here. No, that's the cheapest true cost of getting funded, guys. With My Funded, use my link. That's how it works. You have to register through my link and use the codes FEB10, FEB15, FEB20, FEB25, or just you can type Tom Sabo. So whatever happens after this one, Joey said I should stop. Anyone else? What do you guys think? Should I be continuing to trade after yesterday's big loss, or should I be walking away for the day? Any move, just be surprised, and it's not the result of a proper price action. Yeah, that's true. So guys, yesterday I had a huge loss across my accounts. Today I made back some of that loss, which is a very good news. Brian says lock in the profit. There you go. But it's Friday. Who knows what's going to happen in the New York session? You know, we don't know. I always say better to go off to the weekend with a good feeling. So should I continue to put on more trades, or should I be happy that I recouped majority of my losses from yesterday and I should be continuing next week, right? That's what I should do. And by the way, this trade, it does keep me a little bit of a FOMO, but it also proves me that my entry model is good. I have a good entry model. I have a good entry system, and I'm going to learn from this a lot. So if you guys are curious about my entry system, really check out pip.ninja. I think we will go down to 15. We have the news right now. It's not moving that much, but 15 is just so close down. It should be taking out the lows. 15.50. It's good for 10 points, guys. It's good for 10 points. Lock in that, guys, if you want to go. I mean, if you are scalpers, if you want to go for that 10 points, you can lock that in. Should be going down there, taking out that relative equal lows. It's beautiful. But you have to calculate your own risk and your own stop losses as well. So for example, a 1-to-1 risk to reward, you should be fine if you put your stop to 34. You know, it's good for 10 points. It's your decision. I'm not doing it. I'm reevaluating my accounts here and doing some calculations here and there. But let me know what you guys are up to. Interesting Friday for sure, but I do like it. Even despite the fact that I messed up my stop loss on this trade. Do you guys want me to be honest with you? You're gonna be angry at me, maybe. I made a little bit of a scalp with micro on this drop here. So I made $20 on every account. I didn't tell you guys. I was keeping it a secret, but only $20 with micro. So I'm gonna add that. That's what I'm counting again. So so I scalped. I was a naughty boy. I know. Let's see. Because if I would have scalped with a bigger size, I would have messed it up anyway. I'm not doing anything right now. I'm totally flat. So I'm recalculating my numbers here. There you go, 15 almost tagged. Okay. $446. There. $446 for the day, which is good because yesterday. So, yeah, I recouped a lot from that loss. How is the Russell? Oh my god, I feel a little FOMO. All right, that was cool. Now we dump to zero. Oh wow, what a trade. Hold on, I have to make a quick phone call. P Trading, thank you so much. I'm sorry I'm on a phone call. Thank you for being here. Thank you, thank you. Have a great weekend. All right, so this trade would have actually worked out perfectly. I'm sorry about the phone call, but it was business. And also the Russell, and both of these trades are based on my entry model. So I'm actually happy about the outcome, despite the fact that I didn't make profit on this, but it still proved to me that the edge is good. The only obstacle is me. So it turned out good. Should have stuck with the system, but I'm still happy. I'm still fine with it. Look at this dump. The problem was the stop loss. Took me out and should have put the stop above the recent swing high. And I put it to, yeah, so I put it to my stop loss. Where was my stop loss? Was actually taken out by 1 point. And look at the Russell. Wow. Always amazing to see this. What a trade. I'm going to redo some calculations. I have to do. Oops. What a drop, guys. What a drop. 40 points in a matter of technically a few minutes. What do you guys think? Okay. Oh wow, look at that, down to the 80s. What is happening, guys? What is happening? Look at this. Oh my god. What the hell is amazing? Laura, hey there, Laura. What the heck is going on, guys? There has to be some news, right? Let me update. Let me update the news feed. Eurozone CPI. That's nothing special here. Unemployment rate actual 4.7 for. Okay, so that's unemployment rate. Was there anything revised? Did they revise anything? Everything came out as they said it would. What the hell? Fair market readjustment for a new month. $1,000. Come on. Congratulations. Applause. Congratulations there. Nice one, Laura. Nice one. That is great. Look at that. My trade would have turned into profit from the Russell. I should have just waited. I should have just waited and played this out as it should have. Donald Trump push red button. Oh my god. Yeah. Now more. Oh my god. Laura, you should, if you're still in the trade, you should, you know, close some portions, you know, some partial close should be, you know, in place, or at least trail your stop or do something. Protect your profit, you know, Laura. At least that's what I would do, but it's your trade. Don't give it back to the market. You know, don't give it back. Congratulations there. Congratulations again. That was a really nice one. 0.55 for long for me from 55. Okay. 55. Yeah, we have some levels if we look to the left. 55. Oh my god, look at it's tanking. What the hell is going on? You took it. Oh wow. Laura, congrats again. This one can go all the way to, yeah, to the 55s. Push the like button for the channel. Help me out with the subscription, you know. We're getting close to 1,000 guys. Subscribe. Let's celebrate together. I wasn't in the trade because I left. I was stopped out earlier, but at least push the sub button for me. Let's get that 1K. Getting close to that 1K. Guys, you are awesome. Everybody is awesome. I love you all. 3% on combine. Odyssey. What the hell? Everybody's making profit, just me. Ah. Applause for Odia-san. Congratulations. Everybody's making money but me. Oh. This is great to hear. This is great. Congrats, guys. This is awesome. It's really awesome. I feel a little frustrated, but oh, look at that. It's still going. What the hell? 57 right now. It can go to 44 maybe. FX Central. Well, I'm not here for the money. I'm I don't know why I'm here. Actually, I have no idea why I'm here. Look at, oh my god, look at this dump here. What the hell is going on? It can go much lower if it dumps like this. It was too sharp. It's going down sharply and it's just too sharp for me to chase it, so I'm not going to chase it. But look at that. It can go to 45 even. I don't know. Very sharp. It feels like you want to chase it, but I say you shouldn't. It's dangerous, guys, to chase it. It's dangerous. Don't chase it. 362 takes Joel. Come on, guys. You guys are really killing it. You guys are killing it. What the heck is going on? This is gonna go and take out the 45s, guys. It's taking out the 45s. There you go. 50, almost 45. It's taking it out. It should be taken. This sharp drop should take out 45. What an amazing drop. I don't know what happened. But guys, this was could go to 18k. Yeah, 18k is in the crosshairs, definitely. We should be having some kind of a retracement before that, but 18k is definitely in the crosshair. NQ100, nice. I didn't expect it, this one. I really didn't expect it. I thought we are gonna have a very, very quiet London session, but here we have it. Here we have it. This was a beautiful move. I think it should be taking out the 45. There you go. It's going for it. It's gonna go for it. 45, come on. 45, 45. It should be taking it, right? Should be taking that. Amazing drop, amazing. Amazing drop. No, 55 is still holding, guys. Bernard just got home, really feeling bad that I didn't catch that. Hey, don't worry about that, Bernard. Oh, look at that, 45 is taken out. 45 taken out, guys. From here, I don't know what the hell is gonna happen. I guess we needed some kind of a sharp drop. I just wasn't sure it's gonna happen in the London session. I thought we are gonna see this in New York. Next level is 36. Next level 36. Somewhere around 36. I got where the market crashed. It's not a market crash. It's just a correction. It's nothing else. 800. You know, let's just put it to 800. Let's just put a line to 800 just to see clearly. 800 is definitely in the crosshairs. Look at that. Taking out 36 now. What a move, guys. What a move. It's unbelievable, to be honest. ES 87, 88 support. What is happening on ES? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. The Enterprise is not there. Okay, 88. It should be breaking 88. For now that I see, 88 is definitely gonna get broken. 88.50 is gonna get broken. Almost 100% sure. 88.50 is done. I think. Look at that. It's gonna break it. There you go. Only one handle away. 826. 826. Sorry. 826. 820. 826. What is happening? 826. Oh, 826. Yeah. Next is. I don't know what's it doing. Pivot at 06. It could be there. I'm not using pivots, but if we're so close to a whole number like 18,000, then the pivot point is not that strong because the 18k is such a magical whole magnetic number that if we're getting close to 8,000, 18,006, then we should be touching the 18k. NQ did the same thing yesterday. Yeah, outside. Yeah, the Asia session pushed everything higher. Basically, we're back to the New York PM session right now. So we got back to the New York PM session. That's interesting. So let me just count together how much profit I made, at least after yesterday's red day. I'm up $544. $544 across the evaluation account, which means, okay, yesterday yesterday's $721 has been recovered pretty good. I'm only down 177 across all the evaluation accounts, which is good. I think I should call it. I think I should call it like this. $544 is more than enough for me for a day's profit across the evaluation accounts on a day like this. 544. I have to do some. That's how you have to always have to calculate some risks. 544. I had 1, 2, 3 trades. Okay, so I had 1 trade based on the system on the Russell. This was not my entry. 1 here, 1 earlier before the stream. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 trades, and I didn't trade them all, but these 3 trades were called out by the entry model, and all of them were winners. So yesterday I had 3 losses in a row. Today I would have had 3 winners in a row, but I didn't because I was scared. So that is something I have to journal. And no, yeah, yesterday actually I had 4 losses in a row. So that's interesting. That's interesting. I would risk. I did very well, actually. I did very, very, very well with these trades, I must say. $544 across the valuation accounts. I think it's good. Yeah, it's definitely a good one. I'm absolutely satisfied. Heading back towards yesterday's though, yeah. I'm absolutely satisfied. I just, you should see my notebook. I'm writing numbers and everything down. So I'm just calculating risk and re-evaluating my previous trades. What I took, what I didn't take, how much profit I made. All I can tell you guys, I can show you these accounts because these are the accounts that I'm doing the daily recap. This is the BULENOX account. I'm gonna do the daily recap later. I hope I'm not gonna do anything stupid. From yesterday we were down to 747. Now I'm up to almost 1,900. Almost 1,900. The My Funded Futures account is up. Oh, somebody subscribed. Fabio, thank you. Joel, thank you for hanging here, and please subscribe. So thank you, Fabio, thank you so much. You deserve an applause as a new subscriber. So after yesterday, the My Funded Future account is back from 854 to 982 this morning. The first Apex account is up from 941 to 1077. And the second Apex account is, it started recently, 66 to 195. So guys, overall today I am at $544 in profit across these multiple prop firms, and I'm quite happy about the result from the London session. The entry model proved right. If you guys are curious about my entry model, go to pip.ninja, and there's a 5-minute video. It's a mini course. I know it's $49, but I'm using it for the past couple of weeks, and not just weeks, for the past month. That helped me to make money from TOPSTEP, to be funded at TOPSTEP, and for now at many other. I'm you know, building up more and more accounts in different prop firms, so I'm very, very glad about that. Thank you, Crypto Panda. 35 subs to go. Drink vodka. Thank you, DJ. Thank you, DJ. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So yesterday it was a bad day. Yesterday was the first really bad day I had, and today I recovered a lot from yesterday's loss. I'm not sure how much I want to risk back to the market on a Friday, so I think I should not give anything back to the market on a Friday, right? But it was still good. All these entries were great, and guys, I am really grateful for everyone. It means so much to me that you guys keep being here, and you know, it's great. I know I'm emotional sometimes, but it's a long journey. It's a long journey, and the you know, the first thing you have to do is protect your account, and that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm trying to do. By the way, I'm going to enter the competition. I think it started already at my funded futures. By the way, this is the my funded futures account. This was yesterday, the worst day. Otherwise, and this day, this $19 or $20 loss was actually because I had the connection issue. But you know, every day was quite all right. All right. Yeah. Do we have anything? Nothing. All right. Nice. Is it stressful for you to trade alone, or is it just... No, it's stressful. Trading is always stressful, guys. It's just, you know, how you handle the stress. It's stressful, and it's, guys, I'm telling you, it's more stressful to trade on YouTube. It's more stressful. If anyone is trading on YouTube, I say that's an extra pressure. That's an extra pressure, guys, if you're doing it on YouTube, because I know there are some people out there who are expecting me to prove that that if I trade here, I'm some kind of a guru or something, or I have to prove something. And I want to prove something. Well, I just want to prove that with proper risk management and trading small and trading with the mechanical system, because I am trading with the mechanical system, you can actually go from point A to B. That's what I try to prove. So yeah, that's my goal. And by the way, let's talk about discounts. This is the commercial, guys. I know you guys hate it, but grab your discount at Apex. 80% down is the best, one of the best upfront fee to get into trading funded accounts. The other one, my funded futures, just sign up with the link, because until Monday they extended that you don't have to pay activation fee. You just have to start with a starter plan. What do we have? Also, TOPSTEP. If you're a brand new customer, you have a 20% discount on your first account. It's a very good deal, especially if you start out with a 150K account. Use the codes. It helps out the stream. And if you want to check out my... I don't know what caused the drop. I actually was looking for news. There was some breaking news there. Eurozone CPI year-on-year actual forecast previous. I don't know. The Eurozone CPI was a little bit different. So something about this Eurozone CPI year-on-year actual 2.6. They forecasted 2.5, so it should have been a good news. I don't know. Eurozone unemployment rate actual 6.4, so just as forecasted. I don't know. I don't know what happened. I think it was just a correction, nothing more. Close for 29 points. FX entropy. Oh, you went long, right? Congratulations there. Applause. Huge applause. Start of the month. By the way, it's the first day of the month and it's Friday, end of the week, so it's a special day. If you're up in profit, yeah, it's manipulations as well, and if you're up in profit, you should consider to stop for the day. I'm really saying that. So you should consider to stop for the rest of the day. Or you can join my Discord and we can continue the discussion. And yeah. Guys, it was amazing. This London session actually was amazing, despite the fact that I was a chicken again. I don't stop on what I don't give back what I have taken. Okay, all right there. Okay, guys, I think that's it for the London session. I'm gonna call it here. I'm gonna go to Discord, and thanks for being here. Subscribe to the channel, drop the like, use the links, help out the stream with some codes if you can. It's always good. And be back in the New York session, guys. Have an awesome morning or evening. Thank you so much. We're getting closer to 1K subs. It's super exciting. Thank you for everyone. It was a great session overall. See you guys on the next one. Have a great morning, evening, everything. Thanks for being here. Cheers.